Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
Yes, this one vegetable I was looking for a long time. That is your asparagus. And here comes a beautiful, delicious asparagus recipe, keto asparagus risotto, which you're going to just love it because it's so delicious and so flavorful. I love to eat asparagus as it is. Just chewing and watching movie is one of my favorite pastime food. And this one is also very delicious. That is your risotto. Well, you have to cook the risotto, you can't chew it as it is. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with the keto asparagus risotto. And those who are non-keto, they can use the aviro rice or quinoa, whatever you like, or black rice to make the non-keto form of the keto asparagus risotto. So let us make the asparagus delicious risotto. Yes, it's a keto version. So here I have taken the green asparagus. They look so lovely. Just slice off a piece of all these heads together and I'm going to keep it aside. And I'm going to slice the remaining portion of the stalk into fine pieces. Yes. You have to take care if the stalk is a bit thick or if it is not slicing, then it means it is very fibrous. So remove that portion of it. See, I have already removed a little bit of it and it's done. Now I'm going to take a pan, add some olive oil goes into it, and then I'm going to drop the heads of the asparagus. I'm going to just roast it in the oil so that it becomes a bit tender. Drop some salt in it and it's done. Just take it out. This you can have as it is. It is the perfect snack recipe. You can serve with other things also, like with the mushroom. I already have a recipe. You can see it. It is present in the description box even. And now I've added some more oil. And now I'm going to drop the onions. Finely chopped onion goes into it. Just saute it a bit. Don't burn it. And then goes the CAULI-RICE. You can use the cabbage rice. And you can use different variety of rice. Zucchini rice. Whatever you like. You can use that. Bottle gourd rice. And add some vegetable stock goes into it. Yes, that would add a beautiful flavor to it. That is my stock remained from the vegetables which I had boiled yesterday. And see, my CAULI-RICE is almost done. And now it is the time to add the asparagus. Yes, the finely chopped asparagus. It does not even take more than 10 minutes. Vegetable cooking I found in keto is very easy. In fact, the dishes in ketos are quite easy. If you see, they get very easily cooked up. Here I've added some cheese and some cream goes into it. This is the video which I had lost it. I had to reshoot it. So over here I have added some rosemary also. And also I have burnt the onion. So be careful, don't burn the onion. So this is my original video. And see, I'm just tasting it. It is perfect in taste. Beautiful, delicious risotto is done. So now I'm going to serve it. So here I'm serving this piping hot risotto onto a serving bowl. And I'm going to top it with the head of the asparagus. Yes, the heads of the asparagus you can see. This is simply, it looks so cool and it is delicious even. I tasted so I know it. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this super simple asparagus risotto. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.